pulit ke is khasi hills haka janmi jong ka santrik nailur kila ra no ya umeban shams naitang lambat kinong bud jong u halur ka jingkan no le thokum ki pulit hadien ka jingyo kurup no iki suloi ergan na ki laitili ki kali ramdor ki bla yo bat no na khmat sekretariat hakani ka ju kasngi ya umeban sham lambat kini kinong bud bapong da ki riam yong ki baya seriam bat ki riam baju pong da ki pulit special operation team SOT ayo ban bat no na jan sekretariat ki pulit kila yo ban kurup no iki santli ki suloi nitro air gun lambat ki riam yong na lor ki walkie talkie na ki laitili ki kali ramdor ki bakentuk yak Audi ka Scorpio bar ki Innova Toyota bat ka balapan mi ru ka jin suba ba ki lawan pendan kam ha ka ba penting pensmit ki brio USP ka is Khasi Hills uba Vivix im ula ong bahakapor kumba architect no phais ngi ki pulit kila bat no ya ka wiga kali Audi A4 rong sao kabamdan ya registration number ka wiga Scorpio kabadan ya number ML not Sun AF not lie not dai bat ka Toyota Innova rong yong kabadan ya number T not dai RR ML nyo sao way A kiba penyeng sabar ka shopper stamp IGP Ulaong ru babaro kini ki kali ki degi bata yet yong hakaba ka weneki de kebadan siren ya ki balong trai da umeban shams naitang basyong basa hapok si shlong ha ki kali ki dan khat arngot ki shinrang ki bapong da ki riam yong ya ki balayu I kum ki nong bud jong umeban sham haba pelong shu ya jing talasi ki pulit ki lap ya santli ki suloi air gun ki air pistol but Henry ki magazine pouches ki laptop san ki walkie talkie but ki number plate AS ya ki bala kurup no habala pelong shu ya jing talasi ki pulit ki lap ya santli ki suloi air gun ki air pistol Henry ki magazine pouches ki laptop san ki walkie talkie but ki number plate AS ya ki bala kurup no ki pulit kla register case halur ka jinglet hok kum ki bor pulit ban le ki kam penting pensmit bat hapo ki kendon jong ka Arms Act hapo sadar police station ong USP ubala benrap bakin pelong shu ya ka jing to okit ban lap la ki don ktini em ha kino ki kam baman haswa baki pulit kin ra no iki umeban syam ulapun pau shiklap thai ku bor bagi ni suloi balayo kurup ki air gun bat bu jingkeli halur ka jingkurup jingki pulit da ka baong kini ki suloi air gun hatu kadon ka anyak sarkar Meghalaya pakan kurup no ek air gun
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Well, today at about 2:30 p.m., one Audi was a black Scorpio and a Toyota Innova were found parked just near Shoppers Stop, which is just opposite the Secretariat, and they were found with tinted glasses. So police personnel from SP's office went to check them, and when they went to check these vehicles and all that, because they were with tinted glasses, one vehicle was without a number plate, and they found a group of people, about 12 in numbers, all wearing dressed in black. And so immediately the SOT was alerted and all that, and they rushed to that spot and all that. And on searching the vehicle, we found magazine pouches, about 6 magazine pouches, about 5 handheld walkie-talkie sets, then about 5 air guns and 2 air pistols, and these people were taken to Syllad police station after that for conducting formalities. These items were seized and all that. So as of now, We are also conducting search and all that to ascertain if there are any more items which are incriminating in nature. We'll be taking up a case in Syllad PS uh, for impersonating as law enforcement agency personnel and also under the Arms Act. People, they will be questioned thoroughly. What is the motive? Why, if he is actually apprehensive of anything, what is he apprehensive of? He must be if he's apprehensive, then there must be something he's apprehensive of. If he has another motive of using them, then we will come to know in due course of time. Exactly, it's more probably we are looking at that. I mean, preliminary investigation. It appears to be that he has authority and he has if you're using a siren, you're using tinted glasses. Only certain categories, only Z categories are that allowed to use, and certain unless you have got permission from the government, you can use tinted glass. Nobody can use tinted glass. Why? Even myself and all other officers in this office, we cannot use tinted glass. But certain categories have because of the security threat. So if this person is using that, he is trying probably to project the world outside that he is somebody. And if you're projecting that, that means you might be having a motive. And having 12 men around you, not only does it doesn't exude fear and but also or psychosis, but also in case you have any deal and all that, you ensure that it is enforced because of the muscle men around you. That it appears to be like that. Now, why? Like I said, why would a person move around with 12 people that also who act like henchmen and with weapons inside and magazine pouches? I mean, yes, we get to ascertain actually why he parked out there. Whether he was really going for shopping in Shoppers Stop. I will get to know once the investigation team updates me on that regarding why they parked actually just near the secretariat. Private security, number one is we have to ascertain whether now if you're private security, they always have the name of the security agency, and there's nothing which shows whether they are from any security agency and all that. There's nothing. The air pistols, air guns, on being asked by those men, they said that it's been given by the owner only. Usually, the security agency provides all that. So we need also to ascertain whether they are affiliated with any security agency or any other organization also. At first glance and on preliminary investigation, doesn't appear that he belongs to any band outfit or to any underground and all that. The motive is I think is different, but nonetheless we will actually we'll investigate into all matters, all quarters and all that. Exactly, for the common man and all that, yes, they would, anybody seeing that kind of weapon by people dressed in black, people with magazine pouches, even for a person also who actually knows weaponry also, but seeing that those kind, because they are not conventional air guns or air pistols. If you look at the air pistol, it looks like a 9mm or it looks like a 9mm Browning. So these look very much like semi-automatic or automatic weapons and all that. Nobody will think that they are conventional weapons. By the look of it, it looks intimidating, and so that itself is indicates a wrongful motive.
To us, he was telling that he is a leader of an JMC something.
GMC.
See, I'm yet to get all these facts and all that because the team is still investigating and they are still doing many other things which we need to ascertain. And whether he is affiliated with this organization or that organization, that will.
So apparently, it appears he is a wealthy man who can employ 12 men, get the air guns.
I think that speaks for itself because 3 vehicles and all that, 12 men, and I think much more assets will be there. So probably the sources will come also. Apparently, it appears that this person, Nibancham Snaitang, is using 12 people. If 12 people dressed in black and carrying those kind of weapons, probably with a motive to intimidate, probably with an motive to show that he is probably in a position of power, so that he could either influence, intimidate, or get his way through. So that is what preliminary findings indicate. But yet we will actually have an in-depth investigation into the matter, and then we can ascertain as to what is really the purpose of carrying 12 people, tinted glass, siren, and all that. And these are all illegal. Regarding air pistols and all that, you if you use an air pistol, it's either to be kept at home and only to be used in certain places where, which is probably if it's in a forested area and all that. But you cannot carry them publicly. These the purpose of carrying and these type of guns, they are not conventional air pistols. Now we need to see the caliber of these air pistols also, for which we'll have to send to the forensic laboratory. Coupled with the outfit they are wearing and the magazine pouches and the walkie-talkies and the tinted glass, these combined in combination and all that have a different motive altogether. So which demands and compels investigation, further investigation. I haven't come across any social worker who dresses or who walks around with 12 men in an intimidating manner. So I totally beg to differ with you that, or beg to differ with that kind of a stand that the person is a social worker. I mean, you don't walk around with those kind of weapons. So it demands further investigation. We are yet to register the case and all that. Right now, other formalities are going on. So probably intimidation, arms act, impersonation of police personnel.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.